All right, welcome back. We're kicking off our Koam Morning Show Thanksgiving Feast here, and I've got Corinza Holler, one of our morning show producers, with us here this morning. And I said your wrong last name. I'm sorry about that.
Yeah, it's okay. It happens. Funny enough, my last name's Holler Cook, and what do you know? I'm going to start off with some stuffing that I made for us today.
Now, this is simple stuffing that anybody can make at home. When you're planning a big spread, you can go all out and go with 50 ingredients in every recipe, or you can do, some intense recipes and then throw in a few easy filler ones. And then stuffing is always an easy one that you can do that with.
Yeah, so with this stuffing, I just literally got us a box of stuffing and did the instructions on it. The particular one I got is from Kroger, or Dillon's, whatever you want to call it. It's the same thing, really. So you just need 1 box of stuffing, a medium saucepan, your half stick of butter or a 1/4 cup, and 1.5 cups of water. And basically what you'll do in that saucepan is pour your water, put your butter in, and it'll melt and it'll come to a boil. And then you'll just stir in the contents of the stuffing pouch and let it sit for 5 minutes once it gets all nice and fluffy, and then serve.
Mm-hmm. And there's things that you can do to spice up a box stuffing too. You can add in cranberries.
Oh, sure.
You can add in meat. You can add in your giblets from the turkey. Like just anything that you want to make it yours too. Like the box is basically a starter for you.
I'm just a picky eater, so I kind of just go with basic stuffing anyways.
Okay, and we have some potato salad too,
Right.
if you want to run through this one. This one is an example of a little more intensive recipe that's got quite a few ingredients.
Right, so this potato salad, you're going to need obviously potatoes. You're going to need white vinegar, celery, green onions, hard-boiled eggs, mayonnaise, which is your typical base for it, celery seeds, yellow mustard, kosher salt, and some pepper, salt and pepper, and pepper for garnishing, and it comes out like this. The recipe is very long and lengthy, and it comes out very nice though, at least.
Okay, yeah, it's quite tasty.
Yeah.
A lot of flavors involved in this. Okay, what are we going to be making coming up later in the show?
Ooh, so for the 6th, we're going to have actually our NA, Carrie, who's running behind cameras. Hi, Carrie. She's going to be showing us her mac and cheese and mashed potatoes. So I'm really looking forward to that one too.
Okay.
And then we'll have more in the 7th, but I don't want to spoil the 7th.
Yeah, Michael and I have been kind of teasing that too. All right, well, we want to wish everyone Thanksgiving and be sure to stick around for our next segment. We'll be right back.